Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and today I will show you how the camera Pro mode looks in the smartphone. So let's open the camera and then simply open the Pro mode. So as you can see, there we got the standard things like on the any other smartphones, but if you wonder what are those settings, there we got the white balance, there we got the focus, shutter speed, ISO, EV, and we can change layers from wide, ultra wide to macro. And here you can easily reset all of the settings, the parameters. But if you wonder what it is, you have to tap on the information icon on the left upper corner. And as you can see, here we got the description of a very option that we got here. So as I said before, there we got the white balance, the focus, the shutter speed, exposure compensation, ISO sensitivity, and lenses. So here we can easily know what is going on in this mode. And those other things are right here, as you can see. Here we can also go for the RAW settings format, so the image format will capture all image data recorded by the sensor when we take a photo, and after that we will be able to make much more things when we make the post-processing of the photos with the programs like Photoshop. But to show you quickly how we can set it up, let's put the plant here, and then the first we can change the white balance. So here we got the default balance with icons, so we can quickly change it, but you can also adjust it manually like that. I'm always setting as auto. Here we got the focus, so as you can see when you move it, right now we cannot catch the focus on the plant. If we want, we have to simply make it like that. Here we got the shutter speed. When we go like that, for example, for 1 second, we are able to make much more light to the sensor. We can also adjust the ISO, but I'm going to make it maybe like that. Or I think that's too much, a little bit, it's too bright. Okay, and ISO we can set auto, and EV we can change also, and we can of course change the lens from ultra wide to wide. So as you can see, there it is. So there we can catch really nice photo with the macro lens and the phone, and basically that's all. So there's the standard Pro mode, there's nothing special here, but of course there we got the description of all of modes. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.